Dear students, let us continue our next topic and remaining portion of chapter 4 chemistry, class 10 chemistry, chapter 4 carbon is compound, and the topic name is versatile nature of carbon. The existence of such a large number of organic compounds is due to the following nature of carbon: catenation and tetravalency. Tetravalent nature. Catenation, the self-linking property of an element, mainly carbon atom, through covalent bonds to form long, straight, branched and rings of different sizes are called catenation. This property is due to the small size of the carbon atom, the great strength of the carbon-carbon bond, etc. Carbon can also form stable multiple bonds, double or triple bonds with itself and with the atoms of other elements. A straight chain of carbon compounds. Example: propane and butane. Here propane C3H8 and butane C4H10. Here all the CH bond is interlinked to each other by a straight chain. Branched chain. Example of branched chain is 2-methylpropane and 2,2-dimethylpropane. Here all the carbon atoms CH bond is attached in branched chain. Ring chain. In ring chain, example cyclohexane and cyclobutane, all the CH bonds are interlinked to each other in a ring to form a ring. Tetravalent nature. Carbon has valency of 4. It is capable of bonding with 4 other atoms of carbon or some other heteroatoms with single covalent bond as well as double or triple bond. Example: chloroethane and ethanol and ethanol. Homologous series. Series of organic compounds having the same functional group and chemical properties and successive members differ by CH2 unit or 14 mass units are known as homologous series. Homologous series of alkanes and alkynes. Alkanes. The homologous series of alkanes are methane, ethane, propane, etc. CH4, CH3, 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 CH2, CH3, and alkene, ethene, propene, CH2, double bond CH2, CH3, single bond CH, double bond CH2. Alkynes, ethyne and propyne, CH, triple bond CH, CH3, single bond C, triple bond CH. Characteristics of homologous series. The successive members in homologous series differ by CH2 unit or 14 mass unit. Members of given homologous series have the same functional group. All the members of homologous series show similar chemical properties. So, dear student, in this video lesson, we learn about versatile nature of carbon atoms, that is catenation and tetravalency of carbon atoms, and homologous series and its characteristics properties. So, thanks.